Hello America, my name is Austin with Bobby Combs RV. Today I'm in the Hideout 186 SS. If you ask me, that SS stands for super sweet, because that's what this unit is. Let's take a look. So SS actually stands for super slide, which is what this unit's got right over here. You've got a jackknife sofa here with some storage cubbies behind there. You've also got 3 storage drawers down here below it. Right here is your booth dinette. That table will drop down and give you some additional sleeping area there. You've also got storage underneath both sides of the dinette and an additional storage drawer right down here in the slide out. Back behind me, I've got a couple cubbies back here, shelved right down through the middle, and then right through this door is your bathroom. You'll find your shower has plenty of headroom for all 6'1" of me. Also got a residential size sink, toilet there, cubby down below, and of course a mirror to check yourself out in. In your kitchen, you've got a full-size 12-volt fridge and freezer, 2-burner stove top there, as well as a sink over here, microwave above that, and then storage down below, plenty of room for a trash can in that. Right over here is your queen-size bed. Of course, you have wardrobe on the side of that, nice big shelf there, and your air conditioner right above it. I also want to point out this here is an inverted outlet. We do have the Solar Flex 220 Protect on here, meaning you've got 220 watts of solar already on the roof, and you're pre-wired for an inverter. So if you'd like to hear about some other great features this trailer has, such as its full-length awning or tankless hot water heater, come check out Bobby Combs RV in Mesa at 3335 East Main Street, or visit us online at bobbycombsrvcenter.com.